Let users reset their own passwords. Welcome to M365 Professional. It's common for employees to forget their password, which means they have to contact an admin to reset it. This is time-consuming for both the employee and the admin. To avoid this, admins can set up self-service password reset in Microsoft 365. This will allow employees to reset their password if they forget it. Here's how to set it up. In the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, select Settings, Org Settings, then the Security and Privacy tab. Choose Self-Service Password Reset. Then, go to the Azure portal to turn on Self-Service Password Reset. Under Self-Service Password Reset Enabled, select All. Then save. The next time employees sign into their accounts, they'll be prompted for more information. That'll let them reset their own passwords going forward. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.